Feel like I'm pocket, I'm big. Yeah. Feel like I'm pocket, I'm big. All eyes on me, nigga. Hey. Feel like I'm pocket.
Man, I'm excited today. We over here at Lalos, you know what I'm saying? I got the Ram. Woo, we putting them shoes on, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait, I can't wait. I'm trying to get a sneak peek. I'm trying to let me get in there so I can see them mounting and balancing these, you know what I'm saying? A little different everything we do, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait to see these things on. So, you know, we've already cut. We did the little trim here. Hopefully we don't have to do any cuts to the back, but more than likely we will have to cut here. That's what everyone's telling me. So far I only got the 6-inch lift kit, so we'll see. We'll see, you know. But look at these big boys. They out here, you know what I'm saying? They out here. Man, I'm excited. Can't wait to see these mounted and balanced and put on. And you looking to do some 4x4 stuff, you looking to do anything, wheels, tires, lift kits, Lalos is the spizz-eye. And we'll keep them in stock. Did my lift kit in one day. So I'm not gonna be jumping all around?
No, it's gonna break down. It's gonna get hot for like right for a little bit. They're gonna get hot and the bag's gonna break. And then you're gonna feel like they're gonna start doing a job now.
You gotta use the cheater?
Yeah, we're gonna use the cheater on this one. Let's see. ¿Está lo güey? ¿Es que está todo no hay? No, papá, todo. You know that? With fire, I don't like fucking on fire. ¿Dónde vas, güey?
Back to work.
Back to work?
I'm just gonna visit you for lunch.
Nice. You gonna bring me lunch or what? You gonna bring me lunch?
I already ate my lunch.
Because see, you're not gonna bring us lunch or what?
It's not big enough.
Hey, so how do you want to do it?
No. Right here. Stop.
You want it right here?
Yeah, for now.
So three like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that way when I get the other two, I'll just put them across.
We need all three.
Oh, I'm gonna get that.
We need all three. What? In this place here? Well, I guess I'll...
So, now we got the front off. See a little more of that lift kit. But here, most people have to cut here. We'll probably take it behind this first bolt, bring it up. I'm gonna try to round it off. A lot of people just come in and they just snip this little back end off. Personally, I mean, I want mine to look a little more round versus you just see the little slit. You know, I personally do not like that. So I'll probably bring it up a little bit more and then fade in to where I need to be in. I'd rather do that than to just snip it off, you know? I don't like the look of it. So, wish me luck. So we're back. So voila, that's where I'm gonna cut it. Trying to keep this bolt up here so that way I can still bracket on my bracket up here. If anything, we'll see how it works. What you think?
Oh, you're gonna cut it right there? Yeah, that's fine.
I just hate.
But if you're gonna do a body lift, bro, don't cut that much.
Just wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you're gonna.
But is it gonna rub right now?
It is gonna rub. Just be careful not to do sharp turns.
Maybe I can just bang it down.
Yeah, just do like. If you're just gonna cut it, just cut right here, just a little bit. Don't cut it all the way.
Don't do all that.
Just do right here, just this little spot right here.
Okay, I got you.
You know what I mean?
So I'll go right in front of the screw for now,
Yeah.
and
then we'll see how bad it is, and if it's really bad.
then we'll take it off and do it again.
Yeah, because if you cut it like that, you're gonna fuck it up.
Okay.
It looks like shit. And then plus the body lift lifts on top of the cap sits on top.
Right.
So this goes up.
Okay, so it'll be
you know what I mean?
I get you.
Yeah. So you don't have to fucking because the whole thing like this. So right here, this line, when you do a body lift, this line goes like up to right here.
Okay.
So it lifts the whole cap up. Yeah.
So I'll wait. I'll just cut that little bit.
Don't cut, no, yeah, because you'll fuck up your fender.
Okay, got you.
I'll help you. Let me just finish mounting the other two.
Got you. Talking to a pro. Caught me before I made a mistake. Gotta love that. Dealing with a pro.
And if you use that foam shit you're talking about, you can seal it all up there.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I used to do in my Caprices.
Yeah.
Yep. So it didn't leak, because in the back it would open it up to the trunk.
Oh.
All social media, everything, pictures.
God damn, that motherfucker's heavy.
As big as he is. I was gonna help him, but he said he needed to work out. I'll see what it's gonna look like. You know where to come. Bye-bye 35s.
You need to be spraying this fucker like this car.
Getting that retorque done. Yes, yes. Ugh. Got him working hard.
Make sure no leaking was, because I already bet you 100.
So I'm gonna step back. It's alright, it's alright, it's getting there. It's getting close to what I like. Still gotta get that big, but you know, baby step.
Feel like I'm pocket, I'm big. Feel like I'm pocket, I'm big.